Hello, welcome to day 5, Friday, November 13th. Today is our last day in Module 8. Let's see what we have to do today. First, you're going to watch this video. Today is Friday. We have office hours. We are going to do our mid-semester conference. That means we are in the middle of the semester, and most of you have already chosen your time to come and to Zoom and talk about the semester so far. So here is the list, okay? Make sure you come at your designated time. Here is your deliverable. You have 2 activities. The first one is a summary, okay? Make sure you read everything before you start, okay? And then you're going to put your answer here. Please, please, please spell check. This button here is for spell check. So when you finish typing, spell check. If you're not sure, type in Microsoft Word or Google Drive, check it, copy and paste it here. All right. Your second activity is Spark 3000 article. You're going to read Who's the Smartest. Click this link. You guys are doing an excellent, excellent job. You are killing it with a 75%. Keep reading, keep up the good work. That's it. Have a great weekend. Bye.